One more flip throw without you hitting the spaceship from Star Trollers.
Trollers?
Come on.
My necklace is attacking.
Ethan just pushed me!
I got boobs
I had a feeling that was coming. I got boobs in my mouth!
I had a feeling that was coming.
That's what she said.
Oh, duh. Alright, stand up.
Alright, let's do this.
What's that?
Oh, God.
Like astronaut or like braces space controls?
I don't know.
La 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 la.
Let me see if this
Beautiful.
That wasn't too bad. Just bump. Did that hurt at all? What was the rating on that compared to the other kinds of knockage overage?
Oh, God. Oh, God.
That's why you always wear your safety belt / strap on.
That's what she said.
Hi, I'm in the camera now.
That's not cool.
You should stop it in case there's like an error. Make another video.
Okay.
You know what I'd say? If that didn't record,